new Rapala lure that I've been trying out. So it's one of the elite ones. So look at that fish. What a beautiful fish. What a way to start day 2. So g'day folks, welcome to another PTP fishing and day 2 of my Lake Eucumbene adventure. And one thing hasn't changed, the weather is still bloody cold, it's windy, but what a way to start the day. Check that out. Unbelievable fish. Can't say thank you more to Andy than what he's done so far. It's just been amazing. So day 2, let's hope it's half as good as day 1. Welcome to another PTP fishing. Yeah, so we've doubled back around. I've got a GoPro on my head this time. Couldn't possibly be as big a fish as the last one, but what it does prove is that Rapala lure that I've got on definitely works. So these are the latest release of the from Rapala. They're sort of that CD5 and the floating lures have always been really good trout lures. The Elite series was brought in as something a little bit different, and this actually isn't as small as I thought it was. Actually, nice fish. That's a very nice fish. I'm on fire. Well, that lure's on fire. I'm just trolling around with Andy. Lovely fish. So just as I want to talk to you, what happens? Wind kicks up. So I wanted to show you this fish. There's the wind's blowing over my fishing rod. There you go, there's a lovely rainbow. Again, there's that Rapala in its mouth. Lovely, lovely, lovely fish. It is. Yes, well, we're in the main basin here, so we're out in the elements. But nice fish. Nice little eater again. So this guy's in trouble.
Ooh, I'm on.
Hey.
Ball's on.
Oh. Bugger.
Bugger.
Oh, I'm on. Oh, just got another hook up. Oh.
How's it feel?
Yeah, it feels pretty solid actually. I don't know. We're going a fair clip with this wind, don't we? It feels alright, Andy. I don't think it's much bigger than the last one though.
I'll turn inwards a bit, Pete.
Ah, you're right. It's giving up the ghost a little bit now. We're about to find out how big it is, Andy. It stayed down though, so I'm assuming it's a brown. Yeah, just a little.
You right?
Yeah, yeah, all good. Lovely colours, this one. Come here, my little friend. There we go. Another beautiful fish. This fish has had a little bit of something attack it on top of the head there. Maybe it's got hit by a lure or something at some point in time. Anyway, I've got 2 beautiful fish already. That one's not big enough to keep today. See you later. So now that we're out of the breeze, I just wanted to show you that lure. So that's a 7cm Countdown Elite from Rapala. Don't know what colour it is, so I'll put that around the screen here somewhere with me, but that's definitely been a absolute cracker so far today. So, and I've hooked the bottom on the other rod there, so I'm going to stop talking to you. But yeah, if you want to check them out, Countdown Elite, that's the latest ones from Rapala for trout fishing. Going a bit harder now.
You want me to slow down or stop? Or?
Nah, it's fine. It's only little fish, I think.
Okay.
I think it's just possibly a brownie because it sort of It was pulling and pulling, and then it, you know, like they roll.
Yep.
So we're coming into some slightly shallower water, so I actually swapped lures, even though the gold lure was working so well. So not a great time for the the battery in my camera on my head to run out. So as I was saying there, I've just changed lures to a little Countdown Elite 5 this time around, different colour, nice little brown trout. The little Countdown Elites are doing a great job so far today. So again, only a little fish, so this one will get let go.
Oh, come on.
Okay. And he's on.
And it feels like it's got some weight to it.
Need me to bring my line in?
I think you might be better. It's a sinking one, Pete.
Yep. So predictions, brown, rainbow?
Brown.
Brown. Okay. Line's out of your way.
Maybe it felt bigger than what it was, but
it's all right.
at least I'm off the donut.
Wow, not yet. Looks pretty well hooked though. Very good. So a nice little brown Andy's caught on just a little Rapala CD5 in the brown trout colour. I think he's going to let him go. We'll get bigger fish today, eh mate?
I hope so.
See you, buddy.
But I thought I'd play with my line, and that worked.
Perfect. You happy for me to leave mine in or not?
Yeah.
Yep.
I'll just drop the speed back just one little... Oh no, he's wrapped up in something.
Rightio, that changes the whole process. Found one of those...
Sorry mate?
Found one of those little bushy trees again.
Yeah.
Love it.
Take me out that way, please. Give him some slack and hopefully he'll swim out.
Is he out already?
I think so. Oh, he's only a little fella.
Need a net for that one, eh? It's alright. He wasn't going to come off in a hurry, was he?
No.
Okay, so the bites and the trolling have dropped off a little bit, so Andy was kind enough to drop me back to where I finished on the shore the other day. That's him all the way back there. He's just having a bit of a troll out of this bay, so I needed a break from the trolling, so he's dropped me off here. I'm just going to work the shoreline for a little while. He said he's going to be gone for about an hour, which is most probably half an hour longer than he left me yesterday. So hopefully this shore-based stuff works again like it did yesterday. At worst, it gives me a bit of a break and lets me warm up a little bit because it's certainly pretty cold at the moment. So let's see how I go. Oh, there you go, fish. 10 minutes into doing it. Not a big fish, but a fish. Nice. Nice little brownie. Not a big fish, but again, hey, any fish that you get fishing from the shore is very special to me because I just don't get to do this very often anymore. Thank you very much. There's that little 5cm Rapala CD Elite again. There's my little, oh, chill out. So there's my little brown trout. Look at the lovely red spots on that guy. Isn't that pretty? This will be a pretty release shot if he goes. See you, buddy. Thank you. So as I said in the day one video, if you're the option to go and pop yourself onto a bank is well worth doing. You know, even if it's just purely to get away from, you know, just trolling all the time, or, you know, stretching the legs or whatever it may be. But again, pick the right areas. So obviously this area here, it looks like any other bank, but as you can see, it goes all the way up to where I would assume water runs in. So I think these fish come in here looking for food because they're used to, you know, the food being brought to them by the flowing water when it does flow. So haven't just picked this spot randomly, and as you can see, not even 5 minutes of casting and I've already caught myself a first fish. So pretty stoked with that. Have to say though, it's more exposed to the wind than I expected it to be, so I am a little bit cool, but that's okay. I'm catching fish. So things have been pretty quiet. I've fished all the way around there, all the way through there, all the way up to the end there. Battery ran out about there. Fished along here, so I have one more cast here, and there's the end result. Beautiful little brown trout. Again, caught on that Rapala Countdown Elite lure. Pretty happy with that. I'm going to sit here now quietly, have a quick snack and a drink. But yeah, it's been a little bit quiet. Today's definitely fishing a little tougher than yesterday did. Trout rise just in front of me here. Got him. Oh. Crazy is that, to fish all of these areas, get nothing, and then I've come through here, got a fish just over there, missed another fish, oh, not 2 minutes ago. Now I've got this beautifully coloured rainbow. Look at this fish, isn't he pretty? Really dark fish with a lovely big red stripe on the side. Because the water here has been deeper, I've actually put a slightly deeper diving lure on. It's a duo spearhead in the gold colour. I reckon that's about 10 casts and it's come up trumps. Lovely fish. Just one more quick look at that fish. That's destined for the smoker, that one. So look at that lovely red stripe. Really healthy fat fish. Unfortunately, you've met your maker. So I've been trying to think of an explanation as to why the whole area there and quite a long ways that way got no fish, yet here it's been a little bit of a hot spot. I think because the prevailing wind has been these northwesterlies, so it'd be pushing all the food up against this bank, and that's maybe why the fish are congregating here. So that's as good an explanation as I can give you. One other little piece of advice I'll give you if you do decide to have a bit of a wander around the banks watch where you put your feet because it's very slippery. Already taken 2 or 3 tumbles, so yeah, just take a little bit of care because it's amazing how quickly you finish up on your ass. The action continues. I would say that they're smaller fish, just purely for the fact that it's more of a pluck than it is a hit. Oh, there we go. So that's about, oh look, I've had 6 or 7 hits since I caught that last fish. I would say they're all fish like this. Little rainbows or little small brownies that are just nipping at the lure. This one was obviously just that touch bigger. Yeah, another fish from the shore. How much fun is this? There you go. One last look at that guy. He's a legal fish. He'd be easily 25 centimetres. Still so while I'm talking legalities, in open waters or unrestricted waters like we have here at Lake Eucumbene, minimum size limit for a trout is 25 centimetres. Your daily bag limit, excuse the wind noise, your daily bag limit is 5. You also have an in-possession limit, so we've been fishing for 2 days. We're most probably going to fish again tomorrow. If I want to keep fish, the maximum amount of fish I can keep during that period or have in my possession is 10. So best thing to do is obviously go and check the rules and regulations on the New South Wales Fisheries website, but be aware of that in your possession you can have no more than 10 and your daily bag limit is 5 fish. I don't think it's very happy I've hooked it. It's a little bit wrapped. Fish this one either. It's the same size as that last rainbow that was destined for the smoker. be my bag for the day. Just got nowhere to land him just here, so I really want to get over there if I can. Just lead him this way, hope he doesn't come off. Come on, buddy, this way. Come on. That's it. Come up into this shallow area now for me. That's just another lovely eating size fish. Look how healthy that fish is. I think that will be my bag limit for today complete. So just quickly show you that lure. So that's a Duro Spearhead, pretty sure it is. A Spearhead Ryuki. I can't read the rest of that, but the reason I put that on is it's just dives slightly deeper. And the one thing about this bay or this area that I've come into, it's the shoreline is definitely deeper than it is anywhere else that I've fished. So just thought something that runs a little deeper might do the job, which it obviously has. And there's no doubt that golden black, nice orange underneath, that just says Mr. Trout, come and eat me. So yeah, so it's a duo Spearhead. Looks like about a 50 mil, 55 mil. Anyway, I'll put a description around me or around this. Go and check them out. So that's it from this PTP fishing. So that's day 2 done and dusted. Andy and I just having a quick troll, heading back to the launch point. What an amazing day, really. I mean, that first fish this morning just made my day, and then to find that patch of fish casting from the shore. Don't get the opportunity to do a lot of fishing from the shore anymore these days, and I take advantage of it every time I can, and just had an absolute ball. So hope you've enjoyed the video. We've got one more day to go, so hopefully there's a third one as well. Anyway, we'll see how that goes. Again, I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, don't forget to like and subscribe. Give it the old big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in hopefully day 3 here at Lake Eucumbene. See you later from PTP Fishing. See ya.